All right, so now we're gonna do an example together. Please excuse the shakiness of this video as I'm holding my camera and writing with my other hand. So when you are doing a Venn diagram, remember we wanna make two pretty big circles that intersect in the middle, right? So then the second thing you wanna do is title your Venn diagram. Well, today I want us to compare and contrast two of my favorite animals. We're gonna compare and contrast a frog, which is an amphibian, which you should have watched a video about it last week for science, right? So we're gonna compare and contrast a frog, and let's do a turtle, okay? A frog and a turtle, two of my favorites. So remember, whoops, sorry about that. Remember when we are contrasting or finding things that are different, when we are contrasting, writing things different, how a frog is different from a turtle, we're gonna write that in that part of the circle. And how a turtle is different from a frog, we're gonna write that in that part of the circle. So I want you right now to think, I'm gonna give you about 7 seconds. How is a turtle and a frog different? How are they different? All right, so let's go ahead and start writing. My first difference that came into my brain, and I bet you it came into yours, is that turtles have shells. Now, when we are writing a Venn diagram, we do not need to write in complete sentences because this is just gonna remind us what our ideas were of how frogs and turtles were the same and different. So turtles have shells. Another thing I thought of is that frogs can be all kinds of colors, Now, I'm thinking of like the frogs that we've seen in a rainforest, like red frogs, purple frogs, yellow frogs that are all kinds of colors. Turtles to me are mostly brown or green, kind of like not as fun colors usually, brown or green. If I am wrong and you have seen a yellow or a purple turtle, please tell me and send me a picture. I'd love to see that. Another difference is that I can think of is that frogs can hop, and they can usually hop around pretty quickly, right? Turtles, are they fast, hopping around quick? No, turtles are slow, so slow. So they walk, so they move. I'm just gonna write move slowly. Turtles move more slowly. Gotta spell that right. Good. Now I'm kind of running out of room in my circles, my Venn diagram, so I'm gonna stop. If you have more ideas, I would love for you to talk about that with your sister or brother or mom or dad or grandma, grandpa, or just think about it on your own, how they are different. Now, how are they the same? Well, give you a few seconds to think about how are turtles and frogs the same. We're gonna compare them right in the middle right there. How are they the same? Good. The first thing that comes to my brain, how turtles and frogs are the same, is they, both of them can live, oh no, it's getting too small, can live on land or in water. Okay, well that took up all of the comparison part of my Venn diagram. But what I want to challenge you to do right now is I want you to make your own Venn diagram at home if you have a paper and pencil. And I want you to compare and contrast two of your favorite animals. Remember, you don't have to write in complete sentences, just write them in notes because you're going to be using those notes later to do a little writing this week on some animals. How are they the same? How are they different? And we're going to continue to compare and contrast this week. If you are able to, let me flip this little camera around. I guess I can. If you're able to, I would love for you to take a picture of your Venn diagram and share it in the comments below so we can see all that comparing and contrasting work you have done. Good luck, kids, and I miss you so much. Hope you're doing well. Keep growing your brain. Keep learning.